Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's tutorial I will be going through with you this bikini top. Okay, I made it like two color so you can create different color, and it's very simple and it's very cute. Okay, so all you need is just a bra cup of your size. Okay, so with this one I did use half double crochet in the whole bra cup. Okay, you can use single crochet, you can use double crochet, you can use half double crochet, which is I did use here. So with the chain, okay, so you go with your chain and then you do half double crochet. Okay, so you chain half double crochet, and then in the middle here you put 3 half double crochet, and then in this side half double crochet until the end. Okay, and then chain 2, half double crochet, okay, into the middle, 3 half double crochet in the same stitch, and then go around. And it's the same with the rows. Okay, so chain 2 for half double crochet, and then half double crochet, and in the middle here, in the middle we put 3 half double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so as you can see you can see the 3 half double crochet. Okay, so you can adjust that. This is for the small size, so for the small size, and I use 2.5 millimeter hook for this one. Okay, so you have 2 of those. Okay, so you can make the same color, or like mine, different color. So, and then if you do have that, you have to connect it into the middle. Okay, so connecting into the middle, and then you working with mine is I use white this side and then blue in this side. So I connected here and then going through that side, and then the blue connected here going through this side. So this part here, I will show you how I do it. Okay, so when you do have that, when you do have this, you connect here. No, before you connect, you add here. Okay, the one going to your shoulder or your neck. Okay, so with mine I use double crochet for this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows. So 9 rows in this side, 9 rows in this side. You can say you just have to do 9 rows here and 9 rows here, and then after that you have to connect here. Okay, so after you finish all of these, okay, and then you now can connect it here. So this one I will show you how to I will show you how to do it, how to make them. Okay, so I do have this one. Okay, so I will show you in this side. Okay, so if you're here going from blue, okay, you're going this way. Okay, so you connect your yarn, okay, and then working this way. Okay, so it's just double single crochet. Okay, so one, okay, and then chain 3 and connect, slip stitch. Okay, slip stitch, and then two double crochet, not 3 double crochet, okay, so 3 double crochet, and then chain 3 and slip stitch. Okay, so 3 double crochet again, 3 single crochet, sorry guys, 3 single crochet. I'm having a mental blank. Okay, as you can see, I'm doing a single crochet. You can just put a comment below. It's single crochet, not double crochet. Okay, so 3 single crochet. You see 3 single crochet, and then chain 3 and then slip stitch. Three single crochet, 1, 2, 3, okay, chain 3 and slip stitch. You are going to slip stitch into your single crochet, not your chain. Okay, so as you can see, okay, it's very simple. It's very simple, you know, like when you started here, and then you single crochet, and then you chain 3, slip stitch, 3 single crochet, and the third one you have to chain 3 and slip stitch, and then 3 single crochet, and on the third, on top of the third, okay, you have to chain 3 and then slip stitch. So you will be just doing that, okay, all around. So what I've done here is I did here, okay, going up there, and then I go this way. So I covered my white with blue, and I covered my blue with white, and until to the top. Okay, and then this one here, this one with the string. Okay, so what I did is I did put cross, okay, into the back, like I cross them. Okay, so the white here, okay, go back to the white, and the blue here go back to the blue, or you can like do blue and white as well. It's up to you, but with mine I did that, and then as you can see on the photo, okay, then you can just like tie it up. Okay, and it's very simple. It's very simple, very simple project, but it's beautiful, very cute. Okay, it's very cute. Okay, so hopefully guys, this project is very easy. If you have any questions, guys, please leave a comment below on the comments below, and I will be very happy to help you finish your project, or make a project out of my project. Okay, well, thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.